Christian. They're jumbo boxing gloves for you and Daddy to play with.
Wow.
And we can punch our hands together.
Yeah, you know what it says right there? Pow. P-O-W. Pow.
Pow.
Yeah, like that, but with the glove on.
That means we can punch our hands together as soon as we get in the ball. I can punch Daddy's hand, and Daddy can punch my hand.
But it doesn't hurt because you have a big glove on.
Okay.
Oh, this one says to Christian. From Nanny and Papa.
Christian, Mom, Nanny, and Papa. I can't believe this is so cute. A Star Wars Lego ship.
Wow.
That means, Daddy, we can play.
Put that together.
We can play a Lego ship.
Wow, 2 of them.
That was nice of Nanny and Papa.
That means Daddy can play one of them and I can play the other.
Okay, cool.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Hey, which one is this one?
Looks like fun.
Oh, it's the Imperial Pilot and R2.
Yeah, looks like that's a bad guy ship and that's a good guy ship.
Okay, you do it. You do the other one. I like this one. Has a bad guy ship and a good guy ship.
Okay.
Whoa. Very cool.
Okay, I put my presents right. Okay.
They're going to be all over.
I see this is.
It says to Christian from Mom and Dad.
I knew that it was mine. Oh. It's taking you a little bit of help. Actually, I can do it. I can do it. Whoop, whoop. What is it?
It says personalized mugs. Decorate your own personalized mug. So it has hint that you can make your own coffee mug.
Who is it from?
Oh, it's for Mom and Dad, for you.
It's from Mom and Daddy. Thank you, Mom.
You're very welcome.
Thank you, Dad.
You want the buddy.
Hey, what's
Oh, this is for Christian.
Whoa, I'm getting all mud glitter.
He got some
I guess he got even more presents for me instead of just the angry bird.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, man. He got me my brand new dog.
Oh, a canine
Hey, watch this.
from Doctor Who.
He can roll.
Did you want that?
Yes!
Wow.
I can't believe they can make that. Guess what? Look at the black eye.
Yeah.
He has the black eye just like Jared. And it's not even fragile, it's just plastic.
You like that?
Yeah! Mommy, put the door.
That's neat.
I know what this is for.
To Christian from Mom and Dad.
I knew that. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. It is my very own.
Here, turn it over. It's a Santa puzzle.
A Santa puzzle? And that's the puzzle. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
I think I know who this one is. I think I know.
Let's see.
It's for me.
To Christian from Santa.
I was right! Yeah, that's good. This is the best day I had in my... He gave me the same thing that I had from you, Daddy.
What is it? Wow.
It's the same Star Wars.
The Doctor Who time machine. Wow.
The doors can open.
Yeah. And I think the little dog can go in there too. Wow.
This is the best day. Wait a minute. That's inside?
We'll have to open it later. That's the best day ever.
It's my birthday. What is it? What is this for?
I think that's from Grandma Mary. Grandma Mary and Grandpa Melvin for Christian.
Oh, this is the best day of my whole life. It's a new transformer. It's a new transformer.
He's called a rescue bot.
And what is this?
Twister. Oh, cool. That's a game. Where you spin a wheel and it says, put your right hand on a red circle. Put your left foot on a blue circle.
Okay, what does it mean?
Oh,
And this will be. I got a lot of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. What's this one?
to Christian for Mommy.
Good. Thank you, Mom. I like you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
This is the best day I had in my whole life.
It's the blanket you wanted.
It's that blanket that I wanted. I wanted it for days. Mommy, put it on later.
I will.
Definitely put it on one of the presents. I want it to get dirty.
Okay.
Guess what? I'm gonna put it on my body when I sleep.
Christian for Mom and Dad.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. I'm gonna want it in. It's a coloring book. You get to color in the bathroom. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
This is the best day I had in my whole life. Okay, guys. Definitely put it on with it.
Alright.
I know this is for me.
Let me see.
Hey.
Yes, it is.
I was right again.
Mom and Dad.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
It's a racing car.
A magic pen painting book with race cars.
Wow.
And you get to color racing cars.
Cool. I think it's a card where you just have one pen, but it makes all these different colors show up. So it's a magic pen painting book.